First of all, thank you for the opportunity to talk to DRYDOCK today and give you some background on PP. So, Precision Products, who are we? We've been manufacturing piston rings for over a couple of decades now in Chesterfield in the UK. We are a piston ring manufacturer, and we also have a small part of our range which is industrial products for other applications outside of marine. So we're predominantly a piston ring manufacturer in the UK. Our supply chain is UK based as well, so we're a British manufacturer of piston rings. So maritime is about 70% of our total business, and we have a pretty even split between four-stroke and two-stroke applications. Four-stroke is predominantly aftermarket, so we have a range of products that we supply to the aftermarket in there. And then two-stroke, that is OE customers. So particularly MAN is our dominant two-stroke market, and we deliver direct to MAN through their prime serve, which then goes to the end customer, but they're our products. So the after sales, which is about half of our market as a four-stroke, is vital to us. We have over the years amassed about 600 customers across the globe in aftermarket. Those customers demand good quality from us, obviously, and the right price and the right delivery. So we also have a very healthy stock of aftermarket products in our distribution centre, and in there we house products for about 150 different engine models which support those needs of the aftermarket to all our customers across the globe. Growth is something that I'm keen on doing. The business has organically grown over the decades it's been running. But we have four main parts of our business, all of which present opportunities for us to grow. First of all, aftermarket. We have a very good aftermarket customer base today. We have certain restrictions on what we do because of our relationships with the OEMs, but we're now working to try and improve those relationships and also get better offerings of products to the customers, our aftermarket customers, but we do that through coordinating with the OEMs. We don't do it direct. Then we have OEMs. So we have 2 OEM customers today. We have potential to grow that based on internal capacity work that we're doing to improve the offerings we have for capacity, but we need to do that in a controlled manner because we need to make sure that we don't become over-reliant on our OE customers, so we present too much risk to ourselves by becoming reliant on OEMs. The third area, which is particularly exciting, is new OEMs. Because of our reputation in the industry, which we've gained over the years, we have more OEMs now just starting to take note on Precision Products and who we are. So in the two-stroke market, WinGD, as you've mentioned, are one potential partner that we're looking at working with in the future, and we've started that early work today in two-stroke. Then on four-stroke we have exciting opportunities with Rolls-Royce, who are interested to just understand a little bit more about PP and what we do, because we also do a lot of development work. And also Ricardo, which is a consultancy house for engineering. They're also interested in talking to PP about products that we could probably do in their medium speed engine range for four-stroke as well. So we've got opportunities there. And then finally, the fourth area is licensees. So we have a whole range of approved products from MAN that we can sell to licensees. Around the world there are 17 licensees. We only really deal with one in Europe. There's 10 in Asia, in China specifically, and that's a market that we know we can tap into. We just need to work and getting the offering right and showing those OEMs the quality that we deliver to the OEMs so they can grow confidence in us as a supplier. Yeah, R&D that's an exciting part. I mean, my previous background before I joined PP was in Rolls-Royce, and we spent a lot of time, as you can imagine, on research and development in aerospace. And now I've come to Precision Products and into the marine sector. I see a lot of potential to develop and to invest in R&D. So we've kicked off a partnership with Sheffield University, and in the university we're working with the tribology department, with their materials department and their mechanical testing department to develop a new advanced coating process for piston rings. Most of our development has always been done with OEMs, and that's good. It's helped us grow as a business. But to be able to go that step further, we need to develop our own IP, our own potential to sell to the market. But also, part of the process that we have in our factory today has environmental and legislative challenges coming around the corner. So some legislation that's going to potentially change in the business or in the market. I want to be ahead of that. So working with the university, and also excitingly, we have an industrial partner that recently has shown an interest in joining that R&D work. So we're looking at a new R&D program to bring a new coating technology to the market in about 2019, which will be PP specific. The other exciting part of that as well is that we've had customers such as the OE two-stroke customers that have also taken note of this work and said, that's something that we're interested in understanding a bit more in detail as well. So it's actually already opened doors for us today, and we're not even yet at the point of really taking off with that program of work. Yeah, SMM, it's a very important fair for us. SMM, obviously, it's a huge marine show. As I said earlier, we have 600 customers. Trying to see 600 customers is very difficult, but this show gives the opportunity to meet many of those customers that we have in the aftermarket. So it gives the opportunity to meet those. It gives us the opportunity to meet our OE customers and the new customers I mentioned earlier. They're all coming to see us at the show to discuss further our development and our relationship. So SMM is one place where we can get to meet all those people, as well as obviously meet new people and showcase the range of products that we manufacture in the UK.